Like every year, the Google Pixel 8a will launch at the Google I/O event, which is happening on May 14 this year. We already know how the Pixel 8a looks like thanks to the renders of the phone which we got back in October last year. Just to recap, the Google Pixel 8a has more rounded corners than not only the Pixel 7a but also the Pixel 8. There is a similar looking camera module on the back with a dual camera setup, a flat display on the front with a hole punch cutout and a rounded aluminum frame. Well, today some specifications of the Pixel 8a were leaked, which reveal some upgrades but also some things that remain the same as last year. So speaking of the upgrades, first, the Google Pixel 8a has a better display than the Pixel 7a. The display size is the same at 6.1 inch and so is the resolution at Full HD+. But the refresh rate is now 120Hz versus 90Hz. Moreover, the HDR brightness is now increased to 1400 nits versus 1000 nits. This now matches the HDR brightness of the Pixel 8. Another upgrade comes in the performance department because the Google Pixel 8a is powered by the Tensor G2 chipset versus Tensor G2 in the 7a. If you do not know, the Tensor G2 was not a very big upgrade over the G1, but the G3 was a significant upgrade over the G2. It had upgrades in every department, whether it was the manufacturing process or the CPU, the GPU, the memory and whatnot. So with the Google Pixel 8a coming with the Tensor G3, we should see some big performance improvements over the Pixel 7a. But there is one catch here. The Tensor G3 used in the Pixel 8a is not entirely the same that is used in the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. In fact, the same happened last year as well, where the Tensor G2 in the Pixel 7a was not the same that was used in the 7 and 7 Pro. The Tensor G2 that was used in the Pixel 7a used a different packaging process than the one used in the more expensive Pixel phones, the reason being cost cutting. And the same is happening with the Tensor G3 in the Pixel 8a. The thing is, while the packaging process is cheaper, the G3 in the Pixel 8a should theoretically run slower and hotter than the Tensor G3 in the Pixel 8 series. But still, when compared to the Pixel 7a of last year, there should still be a significant performance improvement. The Pixel 8a also has DisplayPort output support, which the Pixel 8 series also had. And well, those are the only upgrades revealed in this new leak. The camera hardware will be the same as last year. The Google Pixel 8a has two rear cameras, where the primary camera has a 64 megapixel Sony IMX787 sensor with OIS, and the ultra-wide camera has a 13 megapixel Sony IMX712 sensor. And the same 13 megapixel sensor is used for the selfie camera. Of course, this is a Pixel we are talking about, so when it comes to cameras, the software matters more than the hardware. And with an upgraded SoC and improved camera processing, the Pixel 8a should offer an improved camera performance than the Pixel 7a. And well, that is all we know so far. Let us hope that there are improvements in the battery size and thermals, because in the past couple of Pixel A series phones, we have consistently heard of these two issues only, that is heating and battery performance. The price is not yet known, but we expect the Pixel 8a to cost similar as the Pixel 7a. So, what do you think of the Pixel 8a? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.